on in. Welcome to 135 Pacific Avenue in Pacific Grove, California. We're going to do another virtual tour. Come on in. So this home is located just up from Lovers Point. So it's walkable to Lovers Point. It's walkable to downtown Pacific Grove with all the restaurants, all the shops, coffee shops, post office, the farmer's market, the parks, close to the recreation trail. So it's excellently located. So when you come in, you have this cozy little living room with a fireplace here. And then back here is the kitchen. Granite countertops, gas stove. The home has been updated. It's 3,295 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. So we'll do the downstairs and then we'll head upstairs. So you have this nice eat-in sunroom. This space is facing south, so you'll get good sun. And on those chilly days, it's a nice warm spot to sit and eat, have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Come on over here. So this is set up as a dining room, but I actually think it's a great spot for a home office. With everybody doing remote work these days, this is a great place. You can even have 2 desks in here. Plenty of room for your computer, your Zoom calls, and all of that. So off of this office space here, you have 1 bedroom back here, which is actually a good sized bedroom. And there's a half bath off of this bedroom as well. Hardwood floors in this part of the house. Come on back here. So back here, we have the downstairs full bathroom and the second downstairs bedroom. And as you'll see, the bathroom has been updated. All the bathrooms and kitchens have been updated. Double pane windows. And once again, another nice sized bedroom. So this could be used for kids, for guests that come to visit. It's a quiet street as well. Like I said, very walkable to all parts of Pacific Grove. Come on over, let's go upstairs now. And I'll meet you up there. Okay, so now we're upstairs, and this is a landing off of the stairs. This is a nice room with vaulted ceilings. It's got a ceiling fan up top. So this could be used for any number of things. It could be an upstairs office, so you could have a second office. It could be a kid's playroom. It could be a quiet study or library. You could have put a TV in here. It could be an art studio. You have a deck off of it, which is accessed through the door. It's nice and private, so you don't have anybody looking in your windows, and you also get a nice view of the Monterey Bay there and looking at the lights of Seaside in the distance. So down this hallway will be the master bedroom, the master suite. It has its own little deck as well. Once again, vaulted ceilings with the ceiling fan, has a walk-in closet, nice beach open beams with the wood, gives a nice beach feel to it, doesn't it? And then out here you have a deck that you have a nice ocean view too. So Lovers Point is just right down there. That's where they have the fireworks for the Feast of Lanterns. The other day when we were out for a walk, we saw the squid boats out there. So you see it's actually a working bay, as opposed to just as beautiful as it is. So here's the master bathroom. You have a soaking tub and a walk-in shower, all updated. 2 sinks, granite countertop, nice tile floors. And I like how in the shower they did the pebbly surface on the floor, so it's not slippery, so your feet won't grab. And you have a nice skylight up there to bring in the natural light. Once again, vaulted ceiling as well. So let's head over here to the second bedroom upstairs. So we'll look at bedroom number 4 of 4. It's nice. The house is big enough that you have private spaces throughout. And this looks down into the backyard. We'll finish up there after we complete the tour inside. So this is the second bedroom upstairs. Once again, vaulted ceilings, ocean view, and it's good size. For a lot of houses, this is a size of a master bedroom. And for some of the old historical homes in Pacific Grove, this is the size of 2 of their bedrooms, actually. Here is the second bathroom upstairs with a nicely updated shower, plenty of space. I think they used to have a sauna in here, so someone could possibly put that back in, but nice sized bathroom, private as well. And then here's the awesome part of the house. So this is just a family gathering room, game room, TV room. You have a insert gas burning fireplace, vaulted ceilings, 2 ceiling fans, great ocean view. And it's away from the bedrooms, so you can be here and the kids can play their video games and you can watch movies on the big screen TV and not bother everybody else. Once again, the house is over 3,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, listed for $2.495 million. Walkable to all the restaurants, everything in downtown PG and Lovers Point. So that's all on the inside. Let's finish up in the beautiful backyard. So right now we're in the backyard to finish up the tour of 135 Pacific Avenue, Pacific Grove, California. Like I said, the home is listed at $2.495 million. 4 bedroom, 3.5 bath, a little over 3,200 square feet, actually almost 3,300 square feet. If you would like a private showing or a tour, please contact me. My name is Patrick Ryan with Sotheby's International Realty. My phone number is 831-238-8116. That's 831-238-8116. And my email is patrick.ryan@sotheby'shomes.com. Go to our YouTube page as well, Monterey Peninsula Real Estate. We have all the videos that we've done of virtual tours of the homes here. We're doing neighborhood tours. We're going to do one specifically on the short-term rentals as well to get you as much information as you can about Pacific Grove, because it's a great place to live. We love living here, and would like to have you come and enjoy it as well. So I'll stop talking and Katie will film the beautiful garden.